Still working on technical things. Move my mic. Hopefully you can hear me better now. Um, I don't know if I've done anything from this artist or not. The name doesn't sound familiar. Tyla. Song is called Water. Here we go.
Hey, sorry I missed your call, but yeah, I guess we can meet up tonight. I'll see you later.
Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water. Normally, I could keep my cool, but tonight I'm whining. I'ma be in a dangerous mood, can you match my timing? Telling me that you really about it, what you're hiding. Talk is cheap, so show me that you understand I like it. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body. If I give you my time, can you snatch my soul from it? I don't wanna.
Okay, like the beat, like the voice, like the look. I like everything about it. Very feminine.
Come take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body, whole body. Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water. Hopefully, you can last all night, don't get too excited. Privacy, you ain't gotta go nowhere, you can stay inside it. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body. If I give you my time, can you snatch my soul from it? I don't wanna wait. Come take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set off my whole body, whole body. Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water.
Alright, very nice song. I don't know if it's rap, but like I said, I'm going to branch out a little bit, so if it's not rap, that's okay. But very pretty sounding. Can't move my rumpski like that, though, which is a good thing.